This is a painting that I did a while back that I really should love this painting. It has some of my favorite elements in it. I love daffodils. I love clay pots. I love the background with the kind of confetti splatter going on. I like that there are real highlights and dark shadows in it. There's just a lot about this painting that I like. I love bird's nests, but it's never settled in my heart just right. And I've been looking at this painting again recently, trying to figure out what's wrong with it. And it's that the background is so warm, that the background is the same tone and color as the clay pot. So I've been trying to figure out what to do about that. And I was looking at this painting that's in my living room, one of my favorite paintings, and I noticed that I used cool colors in the background with warm colors for the flowers and the pots. So I decided to try to do that with this painting as well. While I was thinking about what to do with the background, I was in my studio and I saw the corner of this sample board peeking out from underneath a pile of paintings. And this was something that I did for a commission painting a while back. And that top color just really jumped out at me. And I thought, I love that. I think that would be a beautiful start. And I had written on the board what each of those colors were, and they were made from cerulean blue, Naples yellow, and white. So I just started mixing different piles using those three colors and came up with a variety of bluer greens, greener blues, lighter, darker, and just started putting those in very bold layers on top of this painting. It was immediate to me, the relief almost of how much better the cooler colors looked in this painting. It was amazing how quickly this painting just got a whole new life. And I very intentionally used some lighter areas, some darker areas, some bluer areas, some greener areas. I really mixed it up a lot, and I just love that looseness. As I put paint in between those stems, I did it with a big brush. I didn't overthink it. I just let the paint fly, and I wanted to keep this painting super loose and true to the original design. One thing to be aware of if you change the background color of your painting is, does it still work with the other elements of your painting? Do you still have good color harmony? And that original tablecloth had been done in ultramarine blue, and it was not working with that cerulean blue background. So I had to change the tablecloth color to more of a cerulean base. And I noticed the tulips, they just looked too purpley pink with the new color palette, so I warmed them up a little bit. And you'll notice that dark pinky red flower and back of the crocus. Well, I have never liked that. So I thought, well, while I'm at it, I'm going to change that. And I just added a white plant with a little purple shadow in the back, kind of vague and sketchy as to what that actually is. But I thought that helped a lot in that area of the painting as well. So fortunately, this was one of those experiments that worked out really well. I just loved that painting, but the background was just not working, and I think changing it to a cooler background made all the difference in the world. I feel so good about this painting now. I'm getting ready to have a show, and I'm going to be sure and include this one because I feel like it's ready to be seen. I hope this was helpful for you. If you're struggling with your backgrounds, you might try a cooler background with warmer subjects or a warmer background with cooler subjects. Hey, if you found this helpful, would you mind hitting the like button and subscribe? That way you'll make sure you don't miss any of the next cool things that are going to be coming out. I also invite you to check out my website at victoriahagemanart.com, where you can see my full-length courses, my short tutorials, and paintings that I have available for sale. 25% of my painting sales go to fund water wells through hydrating humanity. Thanks a lot. God bless.